Hello everyone, my name is Lucia and today I will read you a story called The Lion King. Sit tight and listen carefully. Mufasa was king of the Pride Lands. He was also Simba's father. Simba liked to sit on the high rock with his father. The two lions looked down on all the lands below them. One day you're going to be the king of all this, Mufasa told his son. Then Mufasa told Simba about the great circle of life. But Mufasa's brother, Scar, wanted to be the king. He told Simba about the place outside the Pride Lands. There were elephant bones there. But it's a secret. Please don't go there, said Scar. It's very dangerous for young lions. Simba was excited. He wanted to know more about the dangerous place. Scar smiled. Secretly, he wanted Simba to go there. Simba told his best friend Nala about the secret place. We're going to the water, they told their mothers. That was not true. They went all the way to the secret place. Wow, look at all the elephant bones, said Nala. The two young lions were excited and afraid. Then they heard a terrible noise. Suddenly, 3 hyenas stood in front of them. This is our place, one hyena said. We eat little lions who come here. The hyenas laughed. Simba and Nala were scared. They ran away fast. But the 3 hyenas ran after them, and they were faster. Suddenly, roar! Mufasa was there. The hyenas turned and ran away from the Lion King. I'm sorry, Dad, Simba told Mufasa later that night. He did not want his father to be angry with him. Mufasa pointed to the night sky. Simba, look up at the stars, he said. The great lion kings of the past look down on us from up there. Those kings are always going to be there for you. One day, Scar took Simba into a deep valley. Wait here, he said. You're going to get a surprise. Scar left and Simba waited for the surprise. He was excited. Suddenly, he heard a sound. Feet. Hundreds of feet. Was this a surprise? Simba looked around. There were hundreds of wild beasts running through the valley. It was a stampede. Simba was very afraid. He tried to run, but there was no safe place in the valley. Help! He shouted. Suddenly, Mufasa was there. The king of the lions pushed up his way through the wild beasts. He carried Simba in his mouth and put him on a rock high above the stampede. Simba was safe there. Mufasa tried to climb up a bigger rock. He looked up and saw Scar at the top. Help me, brother, said Mufasa. But Scar only smiled. I'm going to be the Lion King now, he said. Then he pushed Mufasa down to the stampede below them. From this rock, Simba could not see any of this. After the stampede, Simba climbed down into the valley. Dad, he called. Then he saw Mufasa's body and understood. His father was dead. Scar walked slowly into the valley. What did you do? He asked. It was an accident, answered Simba. He was afraid. What can I do? Run, said Scar. Run away and never return. Simba ran and ran. He was scared and sad. Simba left the land of the lions and started to run across the desert. After hours with only desert all around him, he could not run anymore. He was hungry and thirsty and tired. He fell to the ground and slept. After some time, Simba opened his eyes and saw 2 animals standing over him, a warthog and a meerkat. He isn't dead, cried Pumbaa the warthog. Lions eat meerkats, said Timon the meerkat. But perhaps this lion can be our friend. Friends don't eat friends. It was the start of a different life for Simba with his 2 new friends. Simba lived with Timon and Pumbaa for many years. Simba became a big lion. One day, the 3 friends were in a new part of the jungle. Suddenly, a lioness jumped out at Pumbaa. She's going to eat me! Simba heard his friend and jumped between the lioness and the warthog. The 2 lions started to fight, but then Simba stopped and said, Nala? The lioness stopped. Simba? She asked. The 2 lions started to laugh. What's happening here? Asked Timon. Do you know her? Yes, Nala was my best friend years ago, cried Simba. That That evening, Nala told Simba about life at home. Scar is king now, and the hyenas work for him, she said. There is no food, no water for the lions. Life is terrible. Simba, you must go back and help. You are the true king. I'm not the king, Simba cried, and I can't go back. He walked away angrily. Nala doesn't understand. Simba said, I can never go back. I can't change the past. He remembered Mufasa's words to him from years ago and looked up at the dark sky. You said to me, I'm always going to be there for you. But you're not, he shouted. Simba wanted to see his father, but then a voice said, Simba. Simba looked up. Father? The clouds above him moved into a new shape. It was Mufasa. I live inside you, Simba, the old king said. You must remember that. You are my son and the one true king. Remember. The light started to go on. Don't leave, cried Simba, but the sky was dark again. Simba understood. He could not run from the past. He had to go home. He ran for hours across the desert. When he came to the Pride Lands, he was surprised. Years ago, it was a beautiful place, but not now. Simba looked from behind him. Nala, Timon, and Pumbaa were there. Friends can help their friends, said Timon. Simba followed Scar on the high rock. I'm the king now, Simba told his uncle, but Scar said, Tell all the animals your secret. How did Mufasa die? It was an accident, Simba cried. Suddenly, Scar pushed him back of the rock. Simba nearly fell, but he held on to the top of the rock with his front paws. Here's my little secret, said Scar quietly. I killed Mufasa. At the sound of these words, Simba became stronger. He jumped up from the rock and fought Scar. Scar was strong. Simba was stronger and faster. He pushed Scar down. Say it louder, she shouted. I killed Mufasa, shouted Scar. Now run, Scar, Simba said. Run away and never return. It was the start of a new time. Simba was the Lion King now, and he was kind and strong. With his friends next to him, he stood on the high rock and looked down at the lands below him. He remembered his father's words. There was a circle of life, and now Simba was a part of that.